Welcome to the Swedish Maker. This week I'm making this walnut brass Bluetooth speaker. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is cut this walnut into pieces and I'm going to miter them. So I'm going to use this crosscut sled with a miter and I'll use a stop block to get the correct measurements. To ensure that I get perfect miters, I'm using this angle cube, which is a digital angle device, and it's really easy to use. I just put it on the table and on the blade, and it's magnetic, and I can get a perfect 45 degree. And I'll put a link to this in the description, of course. And I made this jig using these 3D printed plastic runners, and I did a video on that, so if you haven't seen it, go check that out. It's up here, I think. Now before I glue the brass to this plywood piece, I need to drill holes for the speakers, and I'm going to do that using this little thing, which is because I don't have a 52mm drill bit, so I'm going to use this, which can be set to a certain diameter, and these pins here are going to cut that hole. I'll put a link in the description. It's not the best thing, but if you don't have the perfect diameter drill, this is good. But I'm a bit scared of this as well, because it's a kind of a big thing swirling around in the drill press. But anyway, let's do it. So, epoxy time. This is how the pros do it. A wooden stick. Look at me mixing the perfect amount of epoxy Just like that. Here's where I screwed up totally, and I don't have any more material, but this is what happens. So I was cutting the slot in here to have a middle piece, and I didn't think this through at all. So I cut it all the way, and this is the front piece. So there's a hole in the middle of the front piece. I have to try to fix it with some glue and sawdust, but it won't be as pretty. Nevertheless, that's what I did. That's what life is sometimes.
It'll never be too late to hope. It never was enough to cope in numbness and wait in darkness. Let's speak it out in the air. I'm carrying a spirit of resistance. soul, sun to make it grow, seed ready to break. Out from underneath, planted in belief, I know. I rest assured, I know. I rest assured.
We'll never be too old to learn, forever too young to comprehend the greater plan. So cast away every care, watch them all float into the distance, a new existence. Something's on the way, something's on the way. Water for the soul, sun to make it.
So this project turned out really good, but I did so many things wrong along the way. As you saw in the video, I cut the groove on the middle piece, which is right here, and it's visible, but it's barely visible, so I managed to cover that up pretty good. The other thing I did wrong was when I ordered the brass, I actually went for 0.3 millimeter brass instead of 3 millimeter brass, which I thought I ordered. And this thin piece of brass actually makes a lot of dents when I was drilling the holes for the speakers. So I would get a thicker piece of brass if I would do this again. Now, the thing I'm pleased with is that the miters turned out really, really good. I mean, I've never done something. Let me check this out. Can you see that? It turned out really good, and I'm surprised with how good it turned out. Now, another thing that I'm not that pleased with is the Bluetooth amplifier that I got, which, well, it works, but as soon as I take the phone at least a couple of meters away, it won't have any connection. And so I've ordered another piece of Bluetooth amplifier that's going to be better, I think, and I can actually use this for real. So I might do some changes to this in the future, and if you want to see those changes, check out my Instagram account where I'll be posting images of just that. Now, all the links are down below for everything I got, but don't get this Bluetooth amplifier because it was no good. The speakers are kind of good, but that was the piece I paid the most amount of money for, I think. Alright, that's it for this week. Please subscribe if you haven't and hit the bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video, and which is every Sunday at 2 p.m. local Swedish time. Yeah. And hit the like button if you like this project. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.
It'll never be too late to hope. It never was enough to cope in numbness and wait in darkness. To speak it out in the air.
So this project, that's it for this.
Something's on the way. Water for the soul, sun to make it grow, seed ready to break.